Hey everybody, and welcome to another installment in the story of MEV. Today we're going to be focusing on the pickup. So the MEV pickup starts at 14,595, which seems really great value for money when compared to many other things on the market. Giving you a 300 kilo payload and a good 1.2 meters in load space, it gives you a really credible option for working in parks and university campus, all of those kinds of places where you want to be able to get in and out. You maybe want to go onto the grass and do different things like that, but just need a few tools. And of course, driving this vehicle does not feel out of place. Let's go and give it a try. So how does the vehicle feel from a driver perspective? Electric windows, that's always good. Simple to steer, seems solid on the road and soaks up most of the bumps, which is great. Air conditioning is a nice touch in hot weather. Also, you've got the panoramic sunroof for those bright days and a blind when it gets a little bit too hot, which is happily today. And of course, from a size perspective, you're not impacted, so you're not going to be uncomfortable no matter how tall you are, within reason. So if you were asked to take one of these as a vehicle to help mitigate the climate crisis, to improve air quality in your local town or city, then I don't think you're going to be that unhappy. In fact, I think you're going to be quite impressed. Impressed for a big effort from a small vehicle. One nice touch when you're reversing is you've got the reversing beepers, but you've also got a nice, well-positioned camera to give you a good view of what's going on behind you. So with a really comfortable specification of the vehicle, even a panoramic sunroof, it gives you that small taste of something a little different and a little bit nicer than your typical van. 300 kilos payload, up to 100 miles in range, easy charging, all makes sense to go for an MEV pickup if that's what you need in the towns and cities that you operate in. Check out the other videos and all the other content on the website, follow the LinkedIn page, or just send them a direct message to find out more.